to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. Today's hair sponsor is Megalook Hair. I have here a 20-inch body wave wig. This is a 13x4, so it is going ear to ear. I've worked with them a few times now. I really love their hair, and their wigs are always beautiful and full and really soft. have the body wave texture and it is very full. This is in the color 1B27, so it's like that Beyonce color, but I would say it's more on like the coppery side, so it's not looking too blonde to me. I can see tones of red. I'm not sure how that's picking up on camera. When I look into the viewfinder, I can see what I'm seeing, so I'm thinking that it's correct, but it is a beautiful color. Personally, for me, I would like to tone down some of this red-ish tones that are picking up, so I think I'm going to go in and dye this wig to take out some of that brassy kind of orangey color. But this wig would actually be perfect for someone who is looking to get that like copper red or red color. This is a great base for you if you want to do colored wigs. Of course, what I do afterwards, that's totally separate. But yeah, I know that I'm going to be coloring this unit, but I wanted to show you guys the way that it comes. I didn't do anything crazy. I just kind of wanted them to be not super defined, but loose and you know, not like perfectly crimped where it looks like you used a crimper. I just wanted to give the wig like kind of like a natural wave. It's a really beautiful wig. The hair is very soft and you could definitely do a lot with this unit. If you like this type of color, this would be a great option for you, but for me personally, I don't like the color as it is. Like, I'm not in love with it. So I know once I color it to like take out some of the yellow, I'm gonna be in love with it, but the hair feels really good and I love how full it is. Yeah, the wig fits me really nicely. I'm not feeling like any tracks or anything as I run my hands through it. There's no shedding and tangling. There is a bit of tangling when I'm running my hands through it, but it's nothing major. Now I'm running my hands through it, it's messing it up. I would say their wigs are the same density as you would like if you made your own wig. So that's what I really love about this company, and one of the reasons why I continue to work with them. I really like this wig. I'm not in love with the color, but I do like the wig. The wig itself, let's take the color out of it, is a really good wig. It's constructed really nicely. I did bleach my knots and I did over bleach it quite a bit all throughout the wig, like the hairline. So here I kind of filled it in where it was too light, like it got really platinum blonde. If you wanted to lighten this wig even further, you can definitely do that, because I know the baby hairs that were black went pretty blonde, like lighter than this blonde. So it's definitely some good hair that you can bleach and color. If that sounds good to you and you want to check them out, I'm gonna leave all the information to Megalook hair in the description box for you guys. If there's a discount code, I'll leave that there too. But I gotta run, so I'll catch you in another video real soon. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Peace.